News, it's 5 o'clock. Missouri's lieutenant governor gets involved in the Maryville rape investigation. He is calling on the state attorney general and the Nottoway County prosecutor to revisit that case. In a statement, Peter Kinder says, quote, "The appalling facts in the public record shock the conscience and cry out the responsible authorities must take another look. I call on Attorney General Koster and Prosecutor Rice to join me in asking that the circuit court convene a grand jury to review all the evidence." He says that this case should taint the reputation of the state of Missouri. We posted this full statement on KSHB.com. Well, prosecutors and investigators in Maryville are defending their actions.
Yeah, they issued a number of statements about the nearly 2-year-old rape investigation. Daisy Coleman says she was attacked, but all charges were dropped.
Amy Hawley spent her day in Maryville finding out if there are any next steps for the students to take there. Amy?
Yeah, and we talked to a lot of people. We checked after talking to a whole lot of people, and unless a judge steps in or the prosecuting attorney asks the Missouri Attorney General to get involved in this case, it looks like Daisy Coleman will not see her rape allegations that she lodged in 2012. They will not be prosecuted anytime soon. And some that we talked to today say Daisy Coleman has something to do with that.
I hope people see through all the small town stuff, that they really see the story for what it is and instead of everyone's opinions.
Daisy Coleman says since early 2012, she has felt repeatedly threatened since she went to the prosecuting attorney in Nottoway County with allegations that she had been raped by a 17-year-old athlete from a politically connected family. And she's not the only one. Just about every city and county office says it has received threats too. So much so, police officers followed us to several locations where we stopped today, worried about everyone's safety. But the attorney for one of the accused boys told us today that Daisy refused to say anything more beyond her initial complaint. The accused teen's attorney said today, quote, "The accusers and family members refused to answer any questions, citing their Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate themselves." And the Nottoway County prosecuting attorney said the case never moved forward because there was, quote, "insufficient evidence to prove a criminal charge beyond a reasonable doubt." But Daisy and her mother say there was overwhelming evidence to move ahead with justice.
I think Daisy's already been very inspirational to some girls her age who have been through this, and even some women my age who have come forward and told me it happened to them, and they never, in college or high school, and they never were able to come forward and do anything about it, and what an inspiration she is.
Now, the sheriff said today that he was frustrated because he felt like there was overwhelming evidence to prosecute this case had Daisy just come forward and offered her statements to the prosecutor. But the sheriff told me today the case is closed, the documents are sealed, and it looks like for good. In Maryville, Amy Hawley, 41 Action News.